This video you're watching right here is all created by AI and is completely free, except you haven't subscribed to this channel. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you through the entire workflow from getting the script to generating the characters consistently and down to bringing our characters to life together with lip syncing. This AI tool is taking charge in 2026, and with the help of this AI tool, you can make a full 3D cartoon animation movie for free. Not those shitty AI generated story you probably see on the internet, and trust me, this tool is really groundbreaking.
Before we jump right in, my name is 10x and I make videos consistently on AI videos and how you can 10x your AI content to 1000x with the help of 10x Media. And all you need to do, you go over to your TikTok, make sure you follow 10x and Telegram channel where all the AI tool has been unleashed and you stand a chance to enhance your AI skills to 1000x.
Now, first thing first, go to your notepad, copy these prompts and paste it into ChatGPT, and boom, here comes the full package with a clean character description and the dialogues and more. Now, step 2, creating the characters plus the visual using Nano Banana inside Gemini, and you change these settings to Thinking 3 Pro and set the tool to image, and you go back to ChatGPT, copy the first character prompt and paste it into Gemini and hit generate, and boom, the character is perfect so as the texture looks so sharp. And you return to ChatGPT, copy the second character prompt, paste it into Gemini and hit generate again. Wow, that's amazing.
If you know you have a pet at home that is looking so amazing like this one right here, hit the comments below. What kind of animal pet do you really have?
And you go back to ChatGPT, copy the same one text to image prompt and paste it into Gemini. You click this box right here and boom, your first scene character appears with serious details with a cinematic environment. Now do the exact same thing, copy the same two text to image prompt and paste it into Gemini. You click this box right here and the same two comes out the same level of characters. And for this, go back to ChatGPT, repeat the process over again and again till the entire character are done. This is where everything starts to feel like a real animation. Step 3, come over to Grok AI. I'll be leaving the link in my Telegram channel together with the prompt for you guys to have access. Right here on this interface, you click on Imagine and upload your first image into Grok and go back to ChatGPT, copy the first image to video prompt including the dialogues, paste it into Grok AI and click generate. Wow, this is amazing. This tool instantly turned the image into real Disney animation and the expression actually feels alive. Next, upload the second scene image and go back to ChatGPT, copy the second image to video prompt with the dialogues, paste it into Grok and generate. Boom, you see the character looks so familiar together with the environment. It stays smooth with the dialogue lines really perfect with the mouth motion. And you do the exact same thing in the entire scene, copy the image to video into Grok together with the image, and once you are done generating the scenes, you download each and every one of them. Then you head over to CapCut where we are going to turn the entire clip into complete viral story with one touch. Step 4, once you open CapCut, create a new project and import all the clips you generated, then drop them into the timeline and organize them perfectly. First, add a transition and make sure you choose the style that matches your curiosity. And here you can add watermark or a logo. For me, I'm adding 10x Media, and don't forget to add a swipe sound on the transition, and you go ahead, add any background music of your choice, and you click right here to add caption and export the video. Boom.
So go right here on my TikTok or Telegram to watch the complete videos, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this coming next. Stay safe.